going on, guys? This is Titan, aka if you're only following me on social media. In this video, I'm going to go over SHIB, where I think it's going to go. Do I think it's going to reach new highs? All that fun stuff. So if you're interested in that kind of content, if you like that kind of content, if you want me to do more Shiba content, feel free to leave a comment below, like, subscribe. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's get right to it because this thing is moving. All right, so right now, SHIB is looking really good, and I'm not saying that I'm not really biased. I don't hold any emotion towards crypto or stocks, but it is looking really, really good, guys. I am liking it, and I'm going to tell you guys why right now. This is crazy. This is great timing. All right. So yeah. Anyway, we have rejection, a lot of rejection towards that 0 to 0 side, which shows me that buyers did not want this thing to drop. They kept pushing, the volume was there, the buyers were stepping in. Right here, we have a whole bunch of buyers stepping in, so the rejection is there, the buyers are in. This is pure buying pressure, okay? Pure buying pressure. It is looking really good, and as you guys can see, these wicks, they just kept rejecting to the from the downside, and just kept stepping up. All right, so hopefully you guys get the idea. And right now we are in the ascending triangle. We got 3 touches to the bottom of the ascending triangle, which confirms it. We got 3 touches to the top. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. That's confirmed ascending triangle. And now look at this, guys. We have tons of buyers stepping in on Shiba Inu. So it is looking really, really good right now. Okay, not only that, I'm going to look at the hourly chart. Look at that. All right, so if we can get a little more buying pressure, I mean, honestly, at any moment this can obviously rug pull us and psych us out. So if we can get more volume and get more buyers here to beat this guy here, we're looking really, really solid. Okay, that's where I'm very confident that we will see new highs, because as you can see, that 0 to 5 is really, I'm not gonna say all these zeros, okay? So but that 0 to 5 is really hard for us to break right now. Okay, but otherwise, regardless, I am still very confident in SHIB. I do think we're going to see new highs. As far as how far I think it can go, I am looking at 0.35. Okay, 0.35, but our first target is going to be that 0.27, 0.28 range, and then we're probably going to have some turbulence trying to get past that 0.35 range, and then I think we're going to see 0.35. Now, as far as if I think SHIB is going to hit a penny, $1, $10, I'm not going to look that far ahead. I'm not going to sell you guys dreams or anything like that, because everybody was doing that with Dogecoin. These YouTubers, they would all give you guys, ridiculous prices with Dogecoin, and look what happened. Okay, so typically the next big thing just overshadows the old thing. Okay, and right now I think SHIB is just overshadowing Doge, all those coins, everything right now. Okay, so just keep that in mind. It's really easy to forget about the old stuff when you got the new and better stuff, quote unquote better stuff. Okay, so just keep that in mind, guys. Don't put your life savings into this. If you do, that's on you, but overall, just keep in mind, remember what happens to all the other coins that had the same type of hype. Okay, I'm in SHIB. I hope it reaches high. I hope it goes crazy. But overall, I'm still being realistic about the situation. I want you guys to be realistic about the situation, okay? Because this can easily be, if you are one of those people who believe that it's Robinhood buying up liquidity and things like that, just keep in mind that can easily be a buy the rumor, sell the news, okay? And for those of you who don't understand what buy the rumor, sell the news means, let's say, and people are probably going to hate me for this because I'm comparing a stock to a crypto, but it's all about the the reference, okay? So if Apple is releasing the iPhone 20 or whatever, the iPhone 20 within a month, okay, that's the rumor, okay? Well, the rumor is that I know that Apple is most likely going to outsell or sell out on iPhone 20s, make tons of revenue, all that, okay? That's the rumor. Once Apple releases the iPhone, That's the news, okay? And they announced that they sell out. That's the news. They made tons of money, all that stuff, and stuff like that is typically what happens when you see a huge sell off on a big event. Okay, so like earnings plays and things like that. If you're into the stock market, okay, so this could easily be one of those. Okay, we're expecting Robinhood to list Shiba, and then once it listed, then there's nothing else to, unless there's something else to look forward to, then we're selling out. Okay, that's typically how whales work. That's, whales control majority of the market. Okay, retail investors are the very small part of the market. All right, but anyway, that's my little education section. That's my little ramble right there. So if you paid attention to the last video, okay, I did say consider investing into SHIB at around the 0.017 range, okay, 0.17, high 1.7s, okay, and it reached there. But I did alert to the group to invest into SHIB around 0.155. It didn't get there. It got to like 0.16, and then I alerted to invest into 0.16 at around at 0.16 at around like last night. I don't know. Sometime last night. Yeah, sometime last night when it was at 0.16, that's when I alerted it. Sorry, I got distracted. But yeah, that's why I alerted it. As you guys can see, boom, I put the chart up, and then I said, hey, I'm investing small into SHIB here, and then right on the money. I announced right on the money, like literally like 3-5 minutes after that, SHIB just started flying after that. Okay, so as you guys can see, we wanted it here, didn't get it here, saw the buyer stepping in, boom, had that double, nice clean double bottom, boom, jumped up, volume kicked in, we were off. Okay, so we're making money on this thing. We are making money on this thing. Okay, so we've been investing into SHIB for a long time, so this is nothing new. At this point, we're just averaging in. Okay, so as you guys can see, this double top got destroyed here. I mean, it was a successful double top, but at the end of the day, it still got destroyed. And right now, the ascending triangle is looking successful, looking really successful, looking really strong. Let's check the 30-minute chart. Yep. So we're looking really good. We got tons of buyers stepping in. We got buyers stepping in, and they are trying. They are really trying. All right. They're really trying. We got this rejection here. We got a lot going on right now. So you guys see it, like 0.25 is really, really hard right now to break. It's really having a hard time to break. So we can easily see, maybe a nice little rug pull, see a retest towards the 0.23 range, and then it breaks back up. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't break down. Okay, hopefully it doesn't break down. I'm being realistic. That is a possibility. Okay, but right now it's looking more up than down. And remember, I said we need more buyers. We're getting that. We're getting that right now. We are getting a lot of buyers stepping in right now. It's looking really good. Again, we just need to beat this guy. If we beat this guy, that means that the buyers are taking over. Okay, if it crumbles down, then you know the sellers are still in there, whatever they're trying to do. Okay, so looking really good. I do think crypto is going to continue taking off. I think Bitcoin is going to see new highs maybe sometime next week. I think it's going to be when we least expect it. Okay, so because right now no one's really expecting crypto to make new highs. This is more so like, oh, Bitcoin is probably going to hit like 58K and then drop. It's probably going to hit like 60K and then drop. That's normally what it does, and I think people are expecting that to happen. I personally believe, this is just a personal belief, I think sometime next week, with all this debt ceiling and all this stuff happening in the stock market, there's going to be a huge rotation into crypto. This has happened before. I think it's going to happen again, if it's not already happening. All right. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right. Just keep that in mind. Again, I'm no fortune teller. I'm no guru. I can be completely wrong about this. All right. So it looks like we're potentially going to see a retest towards this, potentially see a retest towards that low 0.24 range. If we get bigger volume, then we could see another retest towards the bottom of that ascending triangle. Okay. Or close to it, at least. All right. So I'm not going to hold you guys too long. Just keep this stuff in mind. By the time this video is even uploaded, SHIB will probably be in a whole different area somewhere. Who knows? Hopefully it reaches new highs. So if you like this content, guys, if you want me to keep going over Shiba all that stuff, whatever crypto you may be interested in. If I can pull it up on here, I will definitely check it out for you guys. All right. So again, like, subscribe. Any questions, leave below. Any type of support really helps the YouTube channel. And until then, guys, see you in the next video.